I will always say that always be serious. Either it is a telephonic interview or either it is a virtual interview, whatever interview, be serious and take it as like you are giving a face-to-face round of interview. Just behave like that. And main thing is that like when you are on telephonic interview, your voice modulation should be very good and very clear. Make a note of that. Like your voice modulation should be very good enough. When you are talking, you should be very confident enough for whatever you are talking. If somebody asks you questions, then you should listen. Be a good listener first. Like do not ask questions again and again. If in case you're not able to understand the question or not able to hear the question what the interviewer is asking you, just ask them, excuse me sir or ma'am, can you just repeat the question once again? Just once, not twice or thrice. So from that, they can just see, or they can see how attentive you are in an interview, and how serious you are for the interview. It is not always that face-to-face interview are always fruitful. Even in this era, first I have seen either it is a job interview, either it is a college interview, always the telephonic interview goes first. If you clear the telephonic interview, you will be eligible for the virtual round or the face-to-face round. So always give importance to the telephonic interview as well. Both, all the interviews are important in our life and it plays a very vital role. Okay, so we're gonna talk about some mental preparation before attending any telephonic interview. So find a good spot when you are going to attend any interview. Find a good spot, like wherein you will be staying away from all the distractions going around your background. Your background should be very clear so that when you are attending, there should not be any kind of disturbances. Okay, so find a good spot and sit there and just practice. Like before any interview, we always practice. You can practice with your colleague, we can practice with your friends. Where you are either in your college, you will be able to do that with your friends. Okay, we are going to attend a telephonic interview, so we have to practice, practice and practice. Any interview it is, practice makes everyone perfect. So just keep it in your mind, practicing is very important. Okay, then keep your resume ready. So when you're attending a telephonic interview, your interviewer will not be able to see that what exactly you are doing. You can just keep your resume ready because the question would be coming out from your resume. Like if you're an experienced person, all the questions comes out from the resume, what roles and responsibilities you have done in your last company. And if you are from a college and you are a fresher, they would be asking you question related to your background. If you are from a commerce background, they're going to ask you some technical questions. If it is HR, they would be asking you technical questions regarding the HR. Or if you're a doctor, if you're a CA, they'll be asking question related to your studies. So that's it. So, and do some research. Research as in like if you're attending any college interview, so research about the college, what is the college about, what course it is providing you, and who is the founder president of that college, and what all subjects are there, and how old the college is. Do some research about the college when you are going for a college interview. And if it is a company, you're going for a company, even you're a fresher, even if you're an experienced person, you always do some research about the company in detail. What is the company is about, who is the CEO of the company, and these all things we have to focus in our mind before attending any kind of telephonic, virtual, any kind of interview. Okay.